It is pretty simple to cancel your Factor meal subscription, and here's how to do it. You should first head on to your go-to, factor75.com or the website itself, and log into your account. And on the dashboard, click your name or profile icon, which is what you can see right here, this one. Um, Click that, then go to account settings, then you would scroll down to plan settings, then click on the status. You have the status of your subscription right here, which is, as you can see, it is active. And by showing that you can skip and unskip a week from my menu, deactivating your plan will skip your deliveries indefinitely. So after that, you should click deactivate your plan and confirm your cancellation. You should be sure to cancel at least 5 days before your next delivery to avoid being charged.